look at this picture very carefully. You will find some crops are being grown, okay, and near these crops on either side you will find trees are planted, okay. When trees are planted like this, it is called as shelter belt. So shelter, that means these trees are giving protection to these plants. How? By not allowing the soil to flow away along with the wind. Okay. So what the trees will do? They will obstruct the speed of the wind, and this is how the rate of soil erosion will be controlled. And second thing, they also will not allow water to flow away. This is how they will be able to protect the soil and will stop the erosion of soil.
Like, share, subscribe the channel for more videos.